Hello. Sorry, that's Suno AI. That is a AI generated music created by the company called Suno AI. You can jump on now and use that to create your own music. So, hello, my name is Owen, and I made this video presentation today. And I made this for the purpose of catching most of everybody up on AI and all the different AI that has been utilized, discovered, created in the last year. Now, in this presentation that I'm about to play, it starts off a little slow, but it gets more in depth as we get near the middle and then the end. So I made this with the purpose of being able to help other people that are even slightly interested catch up and be able to communicate with other people about that are deeply into it. And I know this is going to happen over the holidays where you're going to meet a family member and they're going to say something like Mistral or Starling or Luma or Llama, I should say. And you're going to be like, what is that? Now, I didn't touch on every subject. There's a lot that is not mentioned in here. Everything including NVIDIA GPUs, CPUs that are now recently being able to start running large language models, but not many people are going to be able to communicate about LLMs or know what they are. So this video has a little bit for everybody in it. Those that are deep into it already will probably be aware of most things in there. But in the coming year, this is going to become more and more important for you, me, and everybody. And I thought that creating a video presentation for you guys would be beneficial. So without delaying too long, because it is a half-hour long video, I'm sorry, this is an introduction to a lot of different AI tools and how to use them and where they are currently pushing the frontiers of science. So thank you for clicking, and hopefully see you at the end of the video.
Where are we? And where are you? AI and Your Place in the World. A Point of View by Owen Tolster. We live in a world of 8.1 billion people. 5.3 billion have access to internet. If we extrapolate current adoption rates based on the USA, here we see at least most people that have access have heard of AI. ChatGPT, the most widely used large language model, or LLM, has only 18% usage by the general public, which worldwide would be 954 million people. This, of course, does not make much sense as the website has only professed to have 180 million users. We can assume that the USA is not representative of the entire world. Making up 29 million users, teens of just the USA make up 16% of ChatGPT. It is fair to assume from this that most users of the largest LLM around the world are young people. Polling of the public in general shows that the biggest concern with AI is trust. As we saw, young people seem to trust AI, so what is happening here? Do the benefits for young people outweigh the concern? I wager they do. Inaccuracy was the biggest concern of AI earlier in this tumultuous year. Justifiably, but with the latest advancements, this excuse to not use AI is growing less strong. My goal here today is a call for action. I know how difficult this can all be, and before you jump into doing something, you need to be armed with the right information and tools. Let me give you a map to start you off. But remember, going forward from here is a new frontier that is ever-changing, and the pace of that change is faster and faster. Don't get left too far behind.
I must not fear. Fear is the mind killer. Fear is the little death that brings total obliteration. I will face my fear. I will permit it to pass over me and through me.
The 1984 movie Dune was set far into the future, but did you know that it was set in a time period when artificial intelligence, or AI, was banned? This was due to AI trying to destroy humanity. This is not an uncommon theme in science fiction, from Terminator to The Matrix. Based on my understanding of AI, this is a valid concern, but we humans are far more dangerous to each other than AI has been so far. Some see a new form of AI coming called AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, and beyond that, AGSI, Artificial General Superintelligence. I think it is very hard to predict when these advances will come. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, believes AGI will be here in 10 years. DeepMind's AI tool, Genome AI, discovered 2.2 million new crystals, including 380,000 stable materials, potentially advancing technologies like superconductors and batteries. Genome, leveraging graph neural networks and active learning, significantly speeds up material discovery, expanding known stable materials to 421,000. Collaborative efforts with Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory and global researchers have experimentally realized 736 of these materials, demonstrating the AI's predictive accuracy and the potential for AI-driven autonomous material synthesis. This breakthrough indicates a substantial increase in efficiency and scale of material discovery using AI. Google's DeepMind proved that AI can be accurate, and not only that, discovered new advances quickly and efficiently. With these new advances, we could potentially increase the power of the next AI, leading to a feedback loop of improvement. Meta's AI system captures thousands of brain activity measurements per second and then reconstructs how images are perceived and processed in our minds, according to a new research paper. Breast cancer diagnosis, skin cancer detection, lung cancer detection. And now, according to JAMA Oncology, AI algorithms combined with top data science can chase malignant growth quicker than a specialist radiation oncologist. Large pharma companies are investing heavily to creating new AI-designed drugs, like AstraZeneca investing $247 million into AbbVie to develop antibodies designed to fight cancer. But despite these advances, and without living the tech daily, you can possibly be thinking, how long though? I can't tell you that exactly, and I can't guess the level of success AI will have medically. But in every other field we have looked at so far, it has been racing ahead. In all other fields, from mind reading to material science, AI is advancing quickly. Dalle2 and Dalle3 are advanced iterations of OpenAI's image generation models, known for their incredible ability to create detailed and contextually relevant images from textual descriptions. Midjourney stands out for its unique artistic flair, offering creators a tool that is as intuitive as it is powerful. Recently, it is moving from the somewhat difficult to understand Discord interface to its own web interface. Midjourney was or is considered the best image creator on the market. Bing incorporates AI to enhance visual search experiences, demonstrating the practical applications of AI in everyday tools. Free to use and very powerful. Access it through Bing Chat. Stable Diffusion is renowned for its versatility in image creation and modification. Its adaptability and wide range of applications underscore the rapid evolution of AI tools, making sophisticated image synthesis accessible to a broader audience. Auto 1111 Web UI leverages the capabilities of Stable Diffusion in a user-friendly interface, embodying the trend of making advanced AI technologies more accessible. It exemplifies the ever-changing landscape of AI, where ease of use meets advanced functionality. Tools like DALL-E and Bing are easy to use. Midjourney is a little harder but gives you more options. Stable Diffusion and Auto 1111 are harder to get going unless you use an online service, but offer a lot more adaptability and configuration. Great if you can set it up on your home PC. All these tools have readily accessible documentation and examples. In this ever-changing landscape of AI-driven image generation and modification, we witness a remarkable fusion of technology and creativity. These tools not only redefine the boundaries of artistic expression, but also signify a future where AI becomes an inseparable part of our creative and everyday lives. Now, we are going to take a turn a little more technical, but that is why we are here: AI and computing infrastructure. Miniconda and virtual ENV are essential for managing Python environments, crucial for AI development. They simplify package management and environment management. The isolation is key in AI development, where different projects may require different dependencies. Many projects like AutoGen and Private GPT could use either Miniconda or virtual ENV. You will be working on either Windows Command Line, aka CMD, Windows PowerShell with WSL, or Linux, often a Ubuntu version. I have found that if you are going to start a project on Windows, start straight away with WSL with Ubuntu, as you may run into issues with certain dependencies otherwise. Both environments are great, and often a project you set up allows you to run through a web interface locally, so the end result is the same. Platforms like GitHub and Hugging Face have become indispensable for code sharing and collaboration in AI projects. GitHub is the backbone of version control and collaborative coding, while Hugging Face offers a unique platform for sharing and collaborating on machine learning models, especially in the field of natural language processing. Cloud-based platforms such as RunPod and Google Colab provide essential resources for AI and machine learning tasks. These platforms offer powerful computing resources accessible from anywhere, democratizing the ability to work on complex AI models without the need for expensive hardware. The infrastructure for AI development is as crucial as the AI models themselves. These tools and platforms form the backbone of AI development, supporting the entire life cycle from development to deployment. ChatGPT and its variants, including versions 3.5, 3.5 Turbo, and 4, represent the cutting edge in conversational AI. These models, known for their ability to generate human-like text, have wide-ranging applications from customer service to creative writing, showcasing the versatility of AI in understanding and generating human language. These can be accessed through OpenAI's web interface, API, or Playground. Claude is developed by a company called Anthropic. Claude AI is a model of natural language processing that can assist with various tasks such as coding, math, and writing. It's designed to be helpful, harmless, and honest. It has improved performance, longer responses, and can be accessed via API as well as a new public-facing beta website. It's also capable of a wide variety of conversational and text processing tasks while maintaining a high degree of reliability and predictability. Grok AI is an artificial intelligence model developed by Elon Musk's startup, xAI. It's modeled after The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, designed to answer almost anything and even suggest what questions to ask. Grok AI has a unique and fundamental advantage of having real-time knowledge of the world via the O platform. Grok AI is designed to answer questions with a bit of wit and has a rebellious streak. It's still a very early beta product, but it's expected to improve rapidly with each passing week. Mistral AI, based in Paris, recently launched their first model, free for use. They introduced a new AI language model, Mistral 887B, matching OpenAI's GPT 3.5 in performance. They've raised $415 million in funding, reaching a $2 billion valuation. Mistral will be a major player in the coming year. Ernie, full name Enhanced Representation Through Knowledge Integration, is an AI chatbot service product of Baidu. It's been under development since 2019 and is based on a large language model named Ernie 4.0, announced on October 17, 2023. Ernie Bot can interact in dialogue, create content, reason with knowledge, and generate multiple modes of output. However, it's important to note that Ernie Bot is subject to the Chinese government's censorship regime. The landscape of AI language models is rapidly evolving, marked by a blend of open-source initiatives and proprietary developments. Mistral, an open-source model, exemplifies this trend by offering a freely accessible platform while also providing a paid service for advanced features and support. This approach fosters innovation and broad accessibility, allowing both individuals and organizations to explore the potential of AI language processing. In parallel, Meta's Llama showcases the dynamic nature of AI research and development. With its various iterations, including the latest Llama 2, it demonstrates the continuous advancement in AI's understanding and generation of human language. The open-source community has further extended Llama's capabilities, creating numerous variations that cater to specific needs and applications. This collaborative environment accelerates the advancement of language models, making them more adaptable, efficient, and aligned with diverse user requirements. Private GPT is designed for offline use and emphasizes data privacy. It's a version of the generative pre-trained transformer architecture that operates in private environments without compromising data by sharing or leaking it online. This model is particularly beneficial for use cases where data privacy and security are paramount. It enables users to interact with their documents using the GPT's power, all within a private setting, ensuring no data leaks. Private GPT is ideal for tasks such as information extraction, text generation, and retrieval augmented generation, including chatting with documents on your computer. One of the key advantages of Private GPT is its ability to offer conversational insights, which is particularly useful for data synthesis and interrogation, freeing up time for more in-depth tasks. However, it requires manual updates to keep the models up to date and might demand powerful hardware for offline operation. Another option for managed retrieval augmented generation is BunkerDocs. Full disclaimer, this is my own website. Although not as secure as a totally local application like Private GPT, it does have the advantage of being managed for you. BunkerDocs is a knowledge-based management platform that transforms documents into vector databases, allowing for rapid content interrogation via direct search or chat. It offers various packages tailored to different user needs, starting from free access. I recently created the ability to share your library of vector embeddings with other users. This would be used by a business to tailor chatbot knowledge for individual customers or other groups. BunkerDocs.com is my way of keeping up with the latest technology, and there are a lot of features to come. It is hoped that it will be the marketplace for embeddings and always powered by the most powerful model available. Vectors and embeddings are at the heart of AI models like Private GPT and BunkerDocs. Essentially, they transform complex, high-dimensional data, like text, into a numerical form that AI models can understand and process. These vectors represent words or phrases as points in a multi-dimensional space, capturing their meaning and contextual relationships. This transformation allows AI models to perform tasks like understanding natural language, generating text, and more. By using vectors and embeddings, Private GPT and BunkerDocs can efficiently analyze and generate human-like text, leveraging the nuanced meanings encoded in these numerical representations. Olema distinguishes itself as a versatile and user-friendly platform, ideal for running and experimenting with a variety of large language models locally. It's designed to be straightforward and accessible, allowing users, even those without extensive technical expertise, to deploy and interact with advanced AI models like Llama 2, Code Llama, and Mistral 7B directly from their personal computers. Notably, Olema streamlines the deployment process of these models, akin to managing Docker containers, making it significantly easier to handle, customize, and even create AI models. This approach is not only convenient but also ensures data privacy, since models run locally without requiring cloud services. Alama's capability to handle models of varying complexities, from a few billion to tens of billions of parameters, demonstrates its versatility and utility in diverse AI applications. Here you can see I run Llama serve first through WSL d Ubuntu. I in another PowerShell window also opened with WSL d Ubuntu. I can type Alama list to find out what models I have installed. I run two models here simultaneously, Mistral 7B and Starling 7B. I am running a 3080 Ti graphics card but have managed to use 13B models. If you do not have a model, it will be automatically downloaded for you when you run a model. For example, Olema run Llama 2 would download and run the model for you. Easy. GPT-4 vision, often associated with the CLIP model, represents a breakthrough in connecting textual descriptions with visual content. This model can understand images in the context of natural language, enabling a wide range of applications from image search to augmented reality, where understanding the visual world goes hand in hand with textual data. LLAVA, which stands for Large Language and Vision Assistant, is a pioneering multimodal model. It's an innovative tool designed for general-purpose visual and language understanding. LLAVA combines a vision encoder with a large language model, LLM, Vicuna, and is trained end-to-end. Despite being trained on a relatively small dataset, LLAVA showcases exceptional abilities in understanding images and responding to questions about them. It achieves impressive chat capabilities, mimicking the multimodal GPT-4. This model sets a new state-of-the-art accuracy on science QA. LLAVA is also an open-source project, and you can find its code on GitHub. I have great difficulty running Lava on my PC, as 13 billion parameters models really strain my 12 GB GPU. However, I have managed to run it on small images. Here is an example from the GitHub repository, which you can see it is understanding and writing a story about what it sees. YOLO, an acronym for You Only Look Once, transforms real-time object detection with its speed and accuracy. By analyzing images in a single sweep, YOLO identifies and classifies objects, making it indispensable in applications like surveillance, traffic monitoring, and even in autonomous vehicles for real-time environmental understanding. The Segment Anything model is at the forefront of image segmentation technology. It can meticulously separate and classify different elements within an image, facilitating tasks such as medical imaging analysis, autonomous vehicle navigation, and advanced photo editing, where precision is key. These AI models are transforming our approach to visual data, enabling machines not just to see, but to understand and interact with the visual world in a way that was once the realm of science fiction. As these technologies continue to evolve, they will further blur the lines between the digital and physical worlds, enhancing our ability to extract meaningful insights from visual data. Zapier is an online platform that helps you automate workflows by connecting your apps and services you use. This allows you to automate tasks without having to build this integration yourself. Zapier supports more apps than any other platform. For instance, let's say you receive an email with an attachment in Gmail. Normally, you download the attachment, log in to Dropbox, and then upload it. But with Zapier, you can create a Zap that automatically saves Gmail attachments to Dropbox. It's like having a personal assistant that works 24/7, ensuring your digital life is organized and efficient. AutoGun is a revolutionary framework developed by Microsoft that enables the creation of next-generation applications using large language models, LLMs. It's like a conductor orchestrating a symphony of AI agents to solve complex tasks. Imagine you're building an AI application. You have a powerful LLM like GPT-4 at your disposal, but you also need to integrate other tools and human inputs. This is where AutoGen shines. It allows you to define a set of agents, each with specialized capabilities and roles. These agents can be based on LLMs, tools, humans, or even a combination of them. The magic happens when these agents start conversing with each other. The AI industry is continuously being pushed forward by technological advancements like NVIDIA's GPUs, Google's TPUs, and OpenAI's new hardware startup purchase. These innovations are setting the stage for more lifelike and capable AI applications in both digital and physical realms. We are on the cusp of seeing lifelike bots enter our daily lives, with developments in Convai, Replica, Anima, and Tesla's Optimus bot. These advancements hint at a future where interaction with AI is as common as with fellow humans. As AI continues to integrate into our world, it's crucial to address safety through industry regulations, government policies, and public awareness. Understanding AI's capabilities and implications is vital for harnessing its benefits responsibly. This presentation aims to demystify AI and encourage you to explore and use these tools. Remember, failure is a part of learning and growth, much like reinforcement learning in AI. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from feedback. Thank you for joining this journey through the world of AI. I hope this has provided insight into where you stand in this ever-evolving landscape and inspired you to embrace AI with curiosity and confidence.
Hi. Sorry. So you just gone through 30 minutes of a video, I think. Most of you may have skipped. I don't blame you, but I'm hoping that the ones that did get through it enjoyed it, or at least found it informative. There's definitely a lot in there, and it's hard to keep up. And without practicing and using it, it's really hard to get your head around. I could have put a lot more in there. There could have been 2 hours, 3 hours worth of stuff, and I still think I would have had more stuff I could have added to it. I'm hoping that it helped, and you won't know until you actually have a conversation with somebody, but I guarantee that they'll be talking about a lot of the main things that were in there. This has been a very interesting year for me. I have loved it, and I have been overwhelmed by it, and I wouldn't turn it away for anything. AI is amazing, and some people think that it's the start of a new species, and you get to have a look at that, and you get to see it, and you get to have a bit of control over it. Even if it's nothing, you could sit down today and start designing your own large language model, your own, which might just be a component of another AI. There's so much that you could be doing. You could just record your voice, record your thoughts, record your video, and that could theoretically live on forever. Who knows? AI is wonderful, as humans are wonderful. and we created them. I see them in my mind as the children of humanity, and we're birthing them. But you know, it's still early days, but this stuff is accelerating faster than any of us can keep up with. I've heard somebody say that AI is going to see us like trees, you know? We move so slow in comparison to it. I hope so. And I hope they don't fell the trees. But, you know, maybe they have Christmas too. Maybe that's a dark turn. Sorry. AI is great. Get into it. Enjoy it. Have fun. It's really amazing. Thank you for watching, and if you want to watch more of my content, I have a YouTube channel called Engo Monster, and I could always do with somebody liking and subscribing up there, because God knows nobody's going for this content. Okay, so thank you, and bye.